Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in this session we shall start with our trigonometry function, that is last exercise, that is miscellaneous exercise. So now before going to start with this miscellaneous exercise, now let us start with a few examples, okay, that is related to the previous session. Then afterwards we shall continue here. Okay students, now let us move on with this particular example here. So now what we have, cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square into cos square. Okay. So first of all I will write down the LHS, that is nothing but here cos 4x. Dear students, cos 4x we have. So now can I write it as cos of 2 into 2x. Now here we are having a formula. What it is, we know that, okay, cos 2x equal to, what is the formula for cos 2x? That is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, in the place of x you can take theta here, nothing wrong in that. That means here what we have, cos 2x, or else if you take it as theta here, cos 2 theta. Okay, here 2x means what it is, theta. 2x means what it is, theta. Cos 2 theta means what we have, cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. What we have, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Theta means what we have, dear students, that is 2x. Can I write it as 1 minus 2 sin 2x, okay, whole square. That is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin 2x. What is the sin 2x formula? That is 2 sin x into cos x here, whole square here. That means here 1 minus 2, 2 2s are 4. Next we have sin square x into cos square x. Now here just I will multiply. 4 2s are what we get, dear students? That is 1 minus 8 of sin square x into what we have, cos square x, and that itself is your RHS. That is your required proof here. Dear students, it is a very simple example. Okay, now let us move on to the next example. The next example is prove that it is for 5 marks. What we have, that is a cos of 6x equal to 32 cos to the power of 6x minus of 48 cos to the power of 4x, okay, plus of 18 cos square x minus 1, okay, 18 cos square x minus 1. This is your required question here. Now how to solve it? It is a very simple problem. So first of all, LHS what we have, cos 6x, okay, I will write down, which is equal to, can write it as cos of 2 into 3x, can write here, cos of 2 into 3x can I write. Now here this is one thing. Now here what I can solve here, or else you can write cos 3 into 2x also you can solve it, the same way we are having, okay. Now here what formula we can write here, that is we know that, okay, we know that cos 2 theta, okay, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Theta means what it is, 3x. Theta means what it is, 3x, which is equal to 2 cos square theta. Theta means what it is, 3x minus 1 here. Everything is same. Now here 2 cos 3x whole square I will write here. Now what is the formula for cos 3x? Okay, cos 3x formula we know that. Okay, dear students, we know that cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, I will make use of this particular formula here. Okay, instead of cos 3x, what we get, that is a 2 into 4 cos cube 3x. Instead of theta, what we have here, dear students, instead of theta I am having here x here, directly it is x only, okay, that is a cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus of 3 cos x here. Instead of x you are having x only here, okay, whole square here, whole square minus 1. Now directly what we can do is you can square it. So what we get here, that is a 2 into 4 4s are, that is a 16 cos cube square a minus b whole square, it is a square, that is nothing but here cos cube square, that is a cos raised to 6x, okay, plus of 9 cos square x minus 2 into these two terms, 2ab, that means 4 2s are 8, 8 is 24, okay, minus 24, okay, what we have, cos raised to 4x minus 1. Now what I will do is I will multiply it by 2. Multiplied by 2 means what it is, 16 2s are what we have, 32 cos raised to 6x plus 9 2s are 18 cos square x, and at last minus 48 cos raised to 4x minus 1. So ultimately what we get, 32 cos raised to 6x okay, minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus of, dear students, 18 cos square x minus 1, and that itself is your RHS. That is your required result. That is 32 cos raised to 6x minus of 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. That is your required result. Very simple and easy example, and hence important also for how many marks, dear students? 5 marks problem. Okay. Now let us begin with our miscellaneous exercise problems. Okay. The next problem, that is nothing but here, prove that only for 5 marks. Prove that for 5 marks we have, that is a cos square x plus of, we are having cos square of x plus pi by 3, okay, plus of cos square x minus pi by 3, dear students, which is equal to, the value will be 3 by 2. That we require to prove here. Now let us move on with the LHS part. Now what we have in this LHS means cos square x, cos square. So here we know that cos square x can write as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, cos square x equal to, or else cos 2x equal to 2 cos square minus 1. From that formula we have derived this. What it is? That is cos 2x. Okay, dear students, cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 from this particular formula. Okay, taking 1 here, that it becomes plus 1, 2 at the denominator part. Now here, in each and every part, that is wherever we are having cos square, I will make use of this particular formula. Okay, what we get, that is 1 plus cos square x, 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2, one thing, plus again same as it is 1 plus cos, okay, 2 into this whole term is x, that is x plus pi by 3 whole divided by 2, plus of the last term, that is 1 plus cos 2 into x minus pi by 3 whole divided by 2. Okay, this is one part. The next part, here 1 by 2, I can take out common outside, 1 by 2 into bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, plus the remaining part is cos 2x plus cos 2x plus pi by 3, 2x plus 2 pi by 3 here, dear students, and at last here plus cos of 2x minus 2 pi by 3, 2x minus 2 pi by 3 here. This is one thing. Now here, how we can solve? The next part is cos c plus cos d. What is the formula for cos c plus cos d? That is, we know that what we have, cos, or else cos a plus cos b, which is equal to 2 cos of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b divided by 2. This particular formula I will make use here. That means everything will be as it is, 1 by 2 into 3 plus of cos 2x plus of, here 2 I will write, cos a plus b. This whole part is a, and dear students, this whole part will be b here, a plus b by 2. Okay, by looking here a plus b, that means plus 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 get eliminates, 2x plus 2x, it is 4x, divided by 2, we get it as cos 2x. I am writing directly, please pay attention here. And also cos a minus b, what it is, cos of a minus b. A minus b means 2x plus 2 pi by 3 minus 2x plus it becomes, that means 2x get eliminates, 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3, that is 4 pi by 3 divided by 2, that implies it gets here 2 pi by 3 only. Okay, dear students. Now here I require to find that 2 pi by 3 value now. Okay, very simple, 2 pi by 3. How we have to find that 2 pi by 3? Now here, which is equal to 1 by 2, 3 plus cos of 2x plus 2 cos of 2x, cos of 2 pi by 3. Okay, I will just write down here instead of writing there. Okay, dear students. Okay, that is cos 2 pi by 3, cos of 2 pi by 3, okay, cos of 2 pi by 3, which is equal to, can I write it instead of pi, if I substitute here 180, that means here what we get, 2 into 60, that is nothing but here 120. Can I write it as cos of 90 plus 30, That implies 90 plus 30 means in second quadrant. Second quadrant here minus cos is negative, cos becomes sine, that is sine 30. So what is the value? That is minus 1 by 2. So therefore cos 2 pi by 3 value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, I will write as minus 1 by 2. Now here we can observe that 2 get eliminates. Dear students, 2 get eliminates. Cos 2x minus cos 2x also get eliminates. What is the remaining part is just 3 by 2, and that itself is your RHS. That is your required result here. Dear students, here I am skipping one step here, and here cos 2 pi by 3 value I had solved here. That is cos of 2 pi by 3. Put pi is equal to 180. That is we are getting here 2 into 60, that is 120. 120 means 90 plus 30 I can write. Then here cos of 90 plus theta, that is according to the allied angles, I can write as minus sine 30. Cos becomes sine and it is negative. So what is the sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Now here its value will be 3 by 2. Okay dear students, it is a very simple example. Okay dear students, now before going to the next video, next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, now let us move on to the next example. The next example is also very simple. It is same for your 5 marks example in your annual examination, asked in your annual examination question paper. What it is, sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x equal to 2 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. Now here it is a very simple part. So before starting with the example, let us move on with the first. I will write down the LHS, that is sin x plus sin 3x plus sin of 5x plus what we have sin of 7x. Now here how we can group the term is, that is sin x plus sin of 5x, okay, sin x plus sin of 5x plus of sin of 3x plus sin of 7x plus sin of 7x. That is what formula I can make use here. We know that sin a plus sin b, that is nothing but sin a plus sin b, which is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 here. One thing, okay, that only same formula, sin a sin b formula. Now I will make use of that particular formula here. Dear students, what we get is, which is equal to 2 sin a plus b. A plus b means what we have here, x plus 5x, that is 6x by 2, okay, or I can write as x plus 5x divided by 2, okay. Next is sin cos a minus b, what we get here, cos of x minus 5x divided by 2, one thing. Then plus of 2 sin, now formula for this part, a is 3x, b is 7x. What we have, that is 3x plus 7x divided by 2, and next here what we have, cos of 3x minus 7x divided by 2 here. Now here what I can do is, just I will simplify it. What we get here, that is 2 sin of x plus 5x, 6x by 2, that is nothing but here 3x. Very simple. X minus what we have, that is x minus 5x minus 4x by 2 means minus 2x plus of 2 sin of, dear students, 2 sin of 10x by 2, that is nothing but here 5x into what we have is cos of minus 4x by 2, that is minus 2x. Now here cos of minus theta, what is the value for cos of minus theta? We know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, because it comes in the fourth quadrant, okay, it comes in the fourth quadrant. Now what we get, that is nothing but 2 sin 3x, 2 sin 3x into cos 2x, okay dear students, plus 2 sin 5x, 2 sin 5x into what we have, cos 2x, cos 2x. Now here what things I can take common here, I can take here 2 cos 2x common, that is 2 cos 2x if I take common, in the bracket what we get here, that is sin 3x plus of sin 5x, sin 3x plus sin 5x. Now here sin a plus sin b, what we get here, that is again same formula, no need to repeat. Sin a plus sin b means 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. What we get here, which is equal to 2 cos 2x into 2 sin a plus b, that is 3x plus 5x divided by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2, that is 3x minus 5x divided by 2 here. Okay, one thing, that is nothing but 8x by 2, okay, that is 2 cos 2x into 2 sine of 3x plus 5x, that is 8x by 2, that is 4x, into cos of 3x minus 5x, that is minus 2x, divided by 2, it becomes x here. Now here just I will multiply, cos of minus theta value will be cos theta positive. So what we get, 2 2s are 4, the remaining part is, so first of all cos 2x, then sin 4x into cos x, okay, that is nothing but here 4 cos x, cos 2x into sin 4x, and that itself is your RHS, the required result. Very, very simple example asked in your question paper for how many marks? 5 marks example. Okay, dear students, now let us start with the last problem related to this particular exercise, that is 3 miscellaneous exercise. Dear students, regarding this miscellaneous, I am dealing with only the easy exam, that is only the examination point of view important questions. Okay. Now here the next problem, prove that is again for 5 marks. Okay. The question is, that is sine of 7x plus sine of 5x, okay, plus sine of 9x plus sine of 3x, okay, whole divided by, okay, this term whole divided by cos of 7x plus cos of 5x, cos of 7x plus cos of 5x, plus again same cos of 9x plus cos of 3x. Okay, I require to prove that the value is tan 6x here. Very simple, that is tan 6x. Now how we have to solve it? Here I will write down the LHS. So before writing the LHS, sin A plus sin B, sin A plus sin B, sin A plus sin B, make use of the formula. Again same cos A plus cos B formula we are having. Okay. So here first of all I will write down the LHS. LHS equal to sin 7x plus sin of 5x, okay, sin A plus B. Then afterwards plus of sin of 9x plus sin of 3x. Then what we have, that is cos of 7x plus cos of 5x, then plus cos of 9x plus cos of 3x. Okay, this is your, here we know that formula already. Sin A plus sin B, that is sin of 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 we are knowing. Now we will move for only for cos A plus cos B, that is cos A plus cos B, which is equal to 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2, A minus B by 2. Now we shall make use of formulas 4 times here. Now sin A plus sin B, dear students, sin A plus sin B, what we have, that is sin 7x plus sin 5x, which is equal to 2 sin of A plus B by 2, that is nothing but here 7x plus 5x by 2, okay, into cos of 7x minus 5x divided by 2. Okay. Next part is plus the whole thing, what we get here, that is nothing but here, okay, dear students, I will write it once again. Okay, what we get, instead of that I can write directly, that is 2 sin of 7x plus 5x, that is A plus B by 2 here, 7x plus 5x, that is 12x by 2, 12x by 2 means it is 6x. Next here cos A minus B by 2, cos A minus B means what we get here, 2x by 2 cos x here, okay, plus now here sin 9x plus sin 3x, A is nothing but 9x and B is nothing but our 3x. What we get here, that is 2 sin of, what we can write here, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 by 2, that is nothing but here 6x, into cos of 9 minus 3, that is nothing but here, dear students, what we get here, 9 minus 3, that is 6x, 6x by 2, that is nothing but here 3x. What we get here, cos 3x whole divided by, now cos A plus cos B, that is cos A plus cos B means 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. A is 7, B is 5 here. What we get, 2 cos of Okay, dear students, that is 7 plus 5, that is 12 by 2, that is 6x. 6x into cos of 7 minus 5, that is 2x by 2, that is x here, plus 2, here also cos a plus cos b, that is nothing but here cos of 12x by 2, that is cos, okay, 12x by 2, that is cos of 6x, and next 9x minus 3, that is 6x by 2, that is cos of 3x. Okay. Now here, what things I can take common here? Among the numerator part, okay, in numerator part 2 sin x, 2 sin 6x common tobodu, that is 2 sin 6x. If I take common, what is the remaining part? Cos x plus cos 3x whole divided by, in the denominator if I take here 2 cos 6x common, okay, 2 cos 6x, 2 cos 6x common ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that is nothing but here cos x plus cos 3x, okay, cos x plus cos 3x. Here I can observe that cos x plus cos 3x get eliminates, 2 get eliminates, the remaining part is sin 6x divided by cos 6x, and that value will be tan 6x, and that itself is nothing but your RHS, okay, and that itself is your required result here. So what it is nothing but here equal to tan 6x. Okay, dear students, it is all about what it is all about our exercise number 3 point, that is miscellaneous exercise. Okay, dear students, now let us begin about the, okay, graph of the trigonometric function with a simple, okay, graph of that. So before going to that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us begin with the last topic, that is nothing but our trigonometric functions, that is how these trigonometric functions and their graphs are. For example, for here sin x y is equal to sin x we have. Sin x, okay, this is our y axis and this is nothing but our x axis. From here sin x repeats after every interval, that is here it is 0 to 2 pi, then again 2 pi to 4 pi, and 4 pi to, okay, that is nothing but here 6 pi, so on it repeats. Similarly, that is minus 2 pi to 0, and next 4 pi to 2 pi, minus 4 pi to 2 pi, it again repeats here, okay. And one more thing, the maximum, we know that sin 0 value is 0, sin pi by 2 value will be 1 here, the maximum value will be 1 and the minimum value will be minus 1. So therefore domain means what x values can take, x can take all real numbers, okay, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ real numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ satisfy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ x, ಆದರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ -1, ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, what is the range here? The y value lies from -1 to 1 here. That is all nothing but our sin x. How to remember the sin x? Sin 0 is 0, okay, it is our 0 here, one thing. Next, afterwards we shall come back to our cos x. Here the graph of the cos x is y is equal to cos x. What is the value for cos 0? Cos 0 value will be, okay, 1. Okay, dear students, trigonometric, okay, ratios of some standard angles alli cos 0 value inittu 1 ittu, okay, and similarly cos 0 1. Similarly we can observe that cos pi, okay, what is the value for cos pi? -1 ittu, houdalre, and here cos 2 pi, again the value will be 1. That means here the interval is repeating from where to where, that is nothing but here 0 to, okay, 0 to here 2 pi, again 0 to 2 pi, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Similarly from -2 pi to 0 here and so on here. And here what is the domain here? Domain is nothing but x can take all the real numbers, any real number can take, and similarly range is also from -1 to 1 here, that is nothing but our range in the closed interval. Okay, that is all about the graph of our, that is sin x and as well as cos x. Similarly, by looking onto the trigonometric functions of some standard angles, for example it is our y axis and it is our y axis, the tan x, okay, it is our value 0. Now tan 0 value is 0, but what about tan pi by 2? It is not defined, infinity, and tan of minus pi by 2, again it is tan of minus tan theta, so tan of minus pi by 2, that is minus infinity, again it is what it is, minus infinity. Okay, dear students, similarly all the values carries, okay. So here we can observe that the domain, what x can take is any x values you can take, and the range y values from where to where it lies from minus infinity to plus infinity, that is nothing but real numbers only. Domain is real number as well as the range is also a real number. Similarly cot, okay, that is nothing but what is the value for cot 0? Okay, we can observe that here cot 0 means what it is? Infinity. Okay, it is positive infinity. Similarly, cot pi, okay, that is a minus infinity, it comes here. What is the value for cot pi by 2? That is nothing but here 1 here, and so on. Cot pi by 2 value will be 0 here, cot pi by 2 value will be 0 here. Now here similarly we can observe that here tan 0 value is 0 and cot pi by 2 value will be 0. So therefore the graph is of this particular shape here, and here the domain and the range both are R itself. Domain and range are both R itself. Now let us move on with our secant x and the cosecant x. Now here secant x, it is very simple. We can observe that secant 0 value, secant 0 value means its value is 1. And what about the secant pi by 2? Okay, what is the secant pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 value will be, okay, that is 0, and here 1 by 0, that is nothing but infinity. So therefore the graph will be of this particular shape here. Graph will be of this particular shape here. Okay, now let us move on with the next part, that is cosecant x, the last one. Okay, now here cosecant, what is the value for here? We can observe that its value will be pi by 2 and then pi and so on. Now here similarly the graph of what we have, the cosecant x. And similarly we can find out the domain of the secant x and the cosecant x, both are nothing but our real numbers only. And similarly we can find out the range also. Dear students, these are all nothing but our graph of the trigonometric functions. Okay, these are very important, and you require to remember all this graph also. Okay, you require to remember, okay, memorize this graph here, graph of all the trigonometric functions here. Okay, so dear students, by this, okay, by this graph of the trigonometric function and your exercise number 3.3 as well as your miscellaneous exercise, trigonometric function chapter is completed. In the next session we shall start with the next chapter related to our first PUC syllabus. Okay dear students, till that, thank you.